Hello friends, today's topic is very different. This is not related to any syllabus and not related to any chapter. So let's see what is today's topic. Today's topic is tricks and tips to improve your English. How to improve your English. So first I want to show you the parts of English that we need to improve our English. So let's see. So these are the parts of English that we need to increase for improving our English. Means many people do many grammatical mistakes. So if we do many grammatical mistakes, then we cannot improve our English. So that's why these are the important parts of English that we need to improve for improving our English. And these are the four language skills that we should also increase these also, because listening speaking, if we listen carefully, then we can get how the second person speak, and how can we speak, and if you are reading, then you can also take a vocabulary, and writing you can write in on your words. So these are the four skills, that language skills that we need to improve. And this is the pie chart that it shows how much the four language skills important. So if you remind these pie chart in your mind, then you can also do listening practice most, and speaking also. So this is the pie chart. And now let's move to the listening. So ability to accurately receive and interpret message. Listening means if second person is speaking, and if you are accurately receive the message that the second person sent it, then your listening ability and listening skill is very good. Because if he speak and you accurately receive the message, then you can also find how the second person speak, and like him I can also speak. So listening is very important. So now how to improve your English listening skill. So you can listen audiobooks, and you can watch and listen films, and these are the tips that if you want to increase your listening skill, then you can apply these tips. Okay. Now speaking, the action of conveying information, means the information that you convey by the action, this is called speaking. So speaking is also very important, because speaking means practice. If you practice, then you can also improve your English. So speaking is also very important and very good. These are these are the tips to improve your speaking in skills. So try to tell stories to yourself first. Means first you should read the story, then you remind the story in your own words to yourself, and speak clearly and loudly. Means if you are speaking clearly, then it's then this is good. And if you are speaking clearly and but in a small voice, then it's okay, but you should speak clearly clearly first, and then loudly. Okay, use proper tenses. As I said that many people do grammatical mistakes. So grammatical, in grammar it consists means tenses and auxiliary, it consists of grammar. Okay, so this is, you should use proper tenses and learn the auxiliaries, and you should increase vocabulary and idioms and phrases, and these are the tips that you should apply to improve your speaking skill. Okay, now this is reading, a process of decoding symbols. Means if you read any story, then you should decode the story in your own words. So if you decode the story in your own words, this process is called reading. So reading is also very important and very good. If you read and you can find any vocabulary that you don't know. Okay, so if you find any word that you don't know, then you can search and then write on any book or on your mind. So from this you can improve your vocabulary. Okay, so now I'm now reading. If you increase the reading skill, then you should apply these tips. Read simple things first. You should read the simple things, simple words. You should pronunciate them first, and then read stories and novels. You should after read simple things, then you should read stories and novels, then read newspaper and magazine, then read what you like the most, anything that you like the most. And first means that before means very first when you are not able to read that thing that you don't know, means you like the most but you cannot read. So if you read simple things, then lower to upper, then you can read that you like the most, and read loud and concentrate pronunciation. What you read, what is the pronunciation of that word, so concentrate on that thing. Okay, look at the words and its use, what is the use of that word, and what is the word, means what is the spelling of the word, and read the conversation. Okay, and now writing, a method of representing language in visual or tactile form. Means that you can say like that, if you read any story and you should write on your own words, then you can find what is the mistake that I have write in the book. So if you find any mistake, then you should again write and not do that type of mistake or any of the mistakes. So writing is also very important for improving our English. This is the one from the 4 skills. So now these are the tips to improve your writing skills. Write a daily diary. You should write a daily routine in the night, and you should write what you have do today. Okay, and try to write stories first. You should read story, then write stories in your own words, and write film reviews if you seen any film, then you should write the review that what is in the film, what is in that film. Write book reviews and essays, and write letter, application, demands and notice. Okay, these are the tips that you should follow for improving writing skills. Okay, now enjoy it. We learn more when we are having more fun. I hope you are enjoy it. So thank you very much. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel, and thank you.